Hey you guys, so I'm just leaving the PX right now. I came to buy a bathing suit. I needed a new one, and we're actually gonna go to the beach today. It's super sunny outside for once. It's been raining the past couple days non-stop, and today's like the first sunny day, so we figured we might as well take advantage of it and go to the beach. We're finally off of restriction, well, I guess with only some stuff. Like, we're now allowed, I need to turn on the air, it is so hot. We're allowed to go to the beach now, which we weren't before, and we can also get takeout. And yeah, before we couldn't even go through the drive-thrus, we couldn't get takeout, nothing like that off of the base. So we're now allowed to do that. I'll go ahead and show you which bathing suit I got. So I just got this simple black one, and then these are the bottoms, which I thought were super cute, and they're high-waisted. And then I picked up some more masks for us because we have to wear masks, and they finally had cotton ones that are just simple black. So I got one for me, George, and the boys, and then I also got the kids little beach toys and just some Red Bull and some Downy, which was on sale for $4.95, I think, because of the Memorial Day sales that they're having. But anyways, yeah, I need to hurry up and head back to the house to pick up the boys, and then, like I said, we're gonna head over to the beach.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
If it dies, it does ink.
Ooh, that looks weird.
I know. Well, we caught something. What should we do with it? It was fast. Remember how fast it was going?
Who caught it? Jaden?
Yeah, Jaden did. I was about to catch it, and then Jaden yanked it from my hands and caught it.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
We're back at the house now. I'm about to shower. I feel so gross. But the beach we went to was on an army base. I can't wait to go to all the other beaches. But then we're gonna just stay home the rest of the day. It's 5 o'clock, and I'm gonna shower, like I said, and then get started on dinner.